guys, welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be about Myntra's end of season or end of season haul. Everyone were going crazy, like, because this came after the lockdown, like almost the lockdown. And I didn't really go that crazy, but my closet was full and I just kept on adding everything to my wish list and I just left it there. But I really didn't buy so much stuff this time from Myntra, even though there were so many things that were really uh, there for good prices. But I just really got like what I really need. I think I just got 4 or 5 items, I would say. Among a couple of them were jewelry and two other were long maxi dresses. So that's all I got this time from the Myntra end of reason or season haul. I was just trying to be cautious and uh, I really didn't end up buying that much stuff, I would say, as usual, as usually that I would end up. Yeah. So without further talking, let me just show you. The item that I got is this from a brand called Viola or Studio Viola. It's a jewelry store, online store, and these stores are also available in few malls. Yeah, like with a smaller kiosk. So the first item that I got is this beautiful finger ring from the brand Studio Viola. I think it's below 250 rupees after sale. I will mention the prices below or somewhere here. So this is really pretty and this is how it looks. I really like it. The colors, the blue and the yellow, and this is quite a decent size. I really like big finger rings. So this is the first one that I got from the brand Viola. Ignore my oily face, okay? So this is the first item that I got is also from Studio Viola, and those are a pair of earrings, and these are really beautiful on the side and on camera. I think the blue color is picking really good, but when you see it directly, it's not that bright blue. It's kind of matte finish and dull finish, but I love this so much. And these were sitting in my wish list for almost like an year, and finally I got them, and I think they look pretty. Yeah. So these are also under 250 rupees, I guess, from Studio Viola. Usually they have good quality jewelry with neck pieces and stuff, but I just got 2 items this time because I'm not sure when I'll be going out and wearing them. So that's the reason. So this is the next pair. So I had them on because I don't have any earrings currently. So this is how they look. They look pretty, and if you have like a round face or a healthy face just like me, always try to wear hangings or the earrings which are quite long, and it will suit you and it elongates your face. So I think I'll keep this earrings throughout this video. And the next item that I got from Myntra is a studio, this is from Libas. This is from a brand called Libas. They have beautiful kurti sets and stuff, but I got a maxi dress. This is originally quoted at too much of like 2,299, that is 2,300. It's a pretty nice 3/4 sleeves maxi dress. This is how it looks, and there is a ruffle detailing going at the bottom of the dress. So yeah, this is the next item, and I think I got this for under 500 or something, which is not bad at all. I like the color. It's kind of snuff color, and this with inbuilt printing on the fabric. Yeah, I'm not doing a try on haul because it's really hot and I really don't want to do it. So try checking the Libas on Myntra, and I think they're even on Flipkart. What I got is one more maxi dress. It's from the brand called U&F, and I think I also paid under 500. I'll mention the price, don't worry. This is a nice plain blue dress. This is how it looks with cap sleeves. I don't know what sleeves are called, and the nice V shape in the back. you have got some tie-ins and it's quite long. It doesn't have a lining, that's the only backdrop, and the material is also not that great, I would say, because this is polyester and I usually don't prefer wearing polyester stuff because I sweat a lot, and I think most of us don't prefer polyester, but anyway, I'm going to keep it because I love this color. This color is really pretty. Apart from the material, I love everything about this dress. So I'll mention the prices. So this is the last item that I got from Myntra. For this year, I think I'll be shopping only this much. I don't know, I'm not sure. Anyways guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment and share, and keep following for more updates and more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.